Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can assign roles in your ElevenLabs workspace. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So you may want to assign teams different roles or even make some changes to the current roles on how they should access your workspace. To do this, head over to your ElevenLabs account and we need to go to Workspace, and you can simply do that by going to the profile icon on top here. So if I click on this, now you have an option to access Workspace by clicking on Workspace settings. If I click on this, here we have an option to determine on how resources can be accessed. So this is under General. So click on General and then head to Default Access for new resource. Currently, you're told only admins in this workspace, my workspace name is here, can access newly created voices, projects, and other resources. To change how these are managed, go ahead and click on this drop down, and you can either change this to restricted, viewer, editor, or even admin. By clicking on this, now the changes will be effected instantly. So that's how you can assign roles or change roles in your ElevenLabs workspace. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.